Welcome one and all to the Ouija God channel. I just saw a huge swarm of birds, so we are going to go and look for them. It was weird, they were pretty big too. I don't know where they went though. Just gonna see. Exactly, they went. Saw them over in this area first. You can hear them. I don't know where they went. We'll walk down this way a little bit and see if we can find them. I see them over here. I don't see them at all. Are they behind me? I don't see them. I don't know where they would have went. Wait, there they are. There they are. Alright, I'm gonna jump to it so you guys can see them. They're landing. Oh my god, they're going nuts. What's going on? What are they doing? What? They're coming back. They're coming back. Oh my god! What's going on? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Ouija God channel if you are new. And as always guys, have a good day or night. Ouija God out.